how do we tap into our creativity? How do we get those ideas? Carl Jung, a philosopher, psychologist, came up with a theory of the collective unconscious. He was saying that our unconscious was part of a really large one. All our unconsciouses taking over the universe like a puzzle. So we are all connected. All our unconsciouses forming part of that puzzle connect us. So if that's true, there is a direct link between us, between all those images floating around, ideas are passing by, and it's up to you, up to us to catch them. How do we catch them? One of the things we do is we give people license to steal. We want you to steal. We want you to take ideas. But here's the thing. We don't want plagiarism. We don't want people just to copy an idea. We want transformation. And that is one of the keys of creativity. Transformation. Transforming. Creativity, transformation. Leonardo da Vinci used to look at the wall of his studio and come up with all his ideas for paintings, drawings, inventions. There were humidity stains. They were changing with the seasons. And in his notebooks, he says, the only thing I have to do, I have to copy those stains on the window. A little bit when we were little, we were looking at the clouds, and you would say, oh, that's a house. And your friend would say, no, that's a cow. That kind of thing. We are such complex individuals. We see so differently. And we have the capacity to transform. And it comes so naturally. I love Moby Dick. It's my favorite book. And I love also to go to the houses, places where people I admire lived or spent time at. And we were teaching in Massachusetts at the Berkshires, and I heard that Melville's house was there, one of Melville's houses. So I ran to Melville's house. I wanted to see it. And it's now a museum, a ground floor. It's just a normal museum. And the incredible thing is the second floor. They left it just as Melville left it when he moved to his next house. And what they did is they left that exactly the furniture in the same position. There was this little table, his chair. He was looking always through the window, and through the window, this little window, you could see Greylock, one of the largest mountain in the Berkshires. One morning, he did what he did every day, sit down, look through the window, and instead of seeing Greylock, the mountain, he saw the whale. It was a lightning ball. In a moment, Moby Dick was created. He saw Moby Dick. Joan Miró, a wonderful artist, one of the geniuses of the 20th century. Every time he was about to create, he got the equivalent of a panic attack. One morning, he was painting. The canvas was behind him because he couldn't even look at it. And suddenly he turned and he saw a star. That's what he drew. And he realized that the canvas wasn't empty anymore. There was something there. And that, just that little thing, allowed him to start painting and never stop.